Alright everyone, welcome back to another edition of the Combustion Guys Energy Drink Monday.
I'm so surprised it's that time already.
And today we have Rip It Energy Tribute Cherry Lime.
The way I started the intro, it almost sounded a little bit like the Joe Rogan podcast.
Oh, it's like the Joe Rogan?
Have you listened to that?
Actually, I've listened to the podcast. I've actually not really listened to the intro.
Interesting.
Yeah, funny. All right, so let's look at the important factoids first. So we got ourselves 200 calories in the lovely can. We got 51 grams of carbohydrate, 150 milligrams of sodium, 51 grams of sugar. So this is not a low-calorie energy drink. You got yourself 20 milligrams of potassium, 144 milligrams of vitamin C, 4 milligrams of B6, 20 micrograms of B12, and let's see, where is the caffeine content?
There's got to be some in there somewhere.
Yep, it's got to be here. Oh, it's kind of hard because they put Chrome on the can. It's hard to read sometimes. I'm looking for it.
It's got Google Chrome.
Yeah, it's definitely Chrome. I cannot seem to find the energy. It's in there somewhere. Let's see. Yes. Ah, there it is. Wait a minute, what is that?
Does it have caffeine or not?
It's got all kinds of stuff. So, 2,000 milligrams of taurine, 200 milligrams of caffeine, and 160 milligrams of guarana seed extract. That is something else. I have never read a more convoluted energy compound in my life, I don't
What's this
think.
flavor again?
This is cherry lime. So not limeade, but cherry lime.
Haven't we had that one before?
I don't think so. We've had a Rip It before, though.
Yeah.
But this is a little bit of a different one, so we'll see.
Okay.
Smells like cherry limeade, but without the aid.
Wow, at least that was correct.
Yep, definitely going after a cherry limeade without the aid in it.
So far, the non-cherry lime bears. What a rough time.
You're definitely putting all 200 calories and 150 milligrams of caffeine, not caffeine, sugar to use. It's smooth. It's very, very smooth.
Wow.
Yep.
Sparkly.
Yep, and sparkly too. Yep.
Syrupy.
Very syrupy.
It's like medicine for those with low energy.
Exactly.
Wow. Like a cough drop.
It's something else, that's for sure.
Where's
So-
the lime in there?
I'm not sure. It's not really coming through. The cherry's definitely coming through, but yeah, I'm not picking up any lime.
Yeah.
But yeah, you taste all 200 calories and 51. Yeah, it's only 51 grams of sugar, not 150 grams. It's 51 grams of sugar, and it's like you taste every little bit of that. Just a sip.
That Silverado doesn't have taillights. I wonder if he got a manual in there, or if it just doesn't have taillights.
I don't know, but that's a problem.
Yeah, that's a nice truck.
Wow. But that is yeah, that is something else.
I really do kind of like these awesome low-calorie ones
That taste almost identical to this.
Very-
Without
very
all the
messed up.
syrup aftertaste.
Yeah, it's too
so
much.
so it's not
That's too
it's
much.
not bad, but it's just not as good. Because now there's a whole
I'm
texture
not
left in my
jumping
mouth
up-
from it.
Yeah, I'm not gonna jump up and grab one of those.
Yep. But that was interesting. So
Yeah.
so I'd say I mean they're putting all 200 calories to good use. So I'd say that's gonna be. I'd say that's probably about RT.
Yeah.
I'd kind of go with that. So
Yeah.
it's not bad, and for those that have a real love with the cherry, with maybe a hint of lime that I'm not really picking up on, it might be worth your while
You
to
want a
check it
cough
out.
drop or a throat
Yeah,
drop?
exactly. If you want one of those and lots and lots of sugar, then this might be the one for you. But yeah, it's a little bit much, but anyways, fun to try nonetheless. So.
Yeah, exactly. And awesome can art.
Exactly, yes. Beautiful America can art on it. So, I mean, so if
On
nothing
Veterans
else,
Day, no less.
on Veterans Day, no less. Exactly. So, anyways, guys, that's going to be it for us. Make sure to check out the links down below. And
Aston Martin.
yep, it's an S month. And also, don't forget to check out the merch store, etc. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.